Hello everyone, this is Jess and today we are watching my channel and today we'll be unboxing a Gunshot microphone. A Gunshot microphone is used in a DSLR or in a mobile or a GoPro phone to get unidirectional sound at a very good quality though. So let's just that's all. So the package is not that good, you can see it's kind of rough. Yeah, but this is the microphone that I'm talking about, Rode microphone. This is VideoMic Go. Okay, this is for DSLR models, a lightweight on-camera microphone. So let's open it. This guys, as you can see, this is the Gunshot microphone that's gonna sit over the head of DSLR. This is Gunshot microphone. Should be good. So let's check it out. A teeny mini user manual. I'll check this later. This is a 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm jack to put the microphone in the DSLR. Doesn't use a battery. So this is the Rode Gunshot microphone. That really looks like a gun. Damn, yeah. And this has a windshield cover here. We can remove this cover and we can put a dedicated cover for better effect also. And this is what the microphone looks like when it's naked. And this is the windshield cover that we get by default with this Gunshot microphone. And these, as you can see on both the sides, these are the shock absorbers. That is, when you are on the run with your DSLR or your GoPro and you use this mic, and then suddenly there will be movement and it will be not stabilized. So this reduces the volume that generates due to the wear and tear and movement or destabilization of this mic. So it eliminates those volume and focuses directly on the volume that's getting in, to the video. So if you can see, it's the unidirectional mount. I can already show you, but the top tip of the microphone is here, and we do get a really long windshield here. It reminds me of different other things as well. But let's just put it on the top of the head of our DSLR and let them just check how it's working. So I have mounted the Gunshot microphone over my DSLR and now I'm recording my voice through that. And now let us see how clean the voice comes out, because it's supposed to be a unidirectional microphone and it's supposed to be cancelling out the side surrounding voices as well. So let me speak something in order to check the voice quality. This is the manual that Rode has given. The box isn't quite well packed. You see, this box isn't so good, but the covering box with the glass, not the glass, the plastic is quite good. So this is able to contain the stuff. So now let me just switch on my air conditioner again with the fan at highest volume, so that let me see whether these side surrounding voice are being recognized or they are being discarded or not. Well, it's now started with full sound. The fan is maximum, and let me tell you some of the benefit of this microphone. This microphone does not require a battery, so you do not need to carry batteries on your backpack while you're going traveling or outside for vacations. You can travel freely. So no batteries needed. The 3.5 mm jack that's on the back of the microphone, that's connected to the DSLR or GoPro, and it draws the power from 3.5 mm jack itself. So that's a very less amount of power. You don't need batteries. It's quite lightweight, very lightweight, and we have shock absorbers. That is required if you're on the go, shooting yourself in a video, or someone else in the video, but it keeps shaking. It's not able to attain the stabilization. Then the microphone also moves, right? So the movement of that microphone creates some kind of disturbances in the voice, and that is being discarded through this shock absorber. So it will negate the voice due to this discomfort of this microphone. That is kind of good facility. So it's a unidirectional mic. That is why I'm speaking from this way will be more amplified and recorded very properly than the surrounding to the microphone. So it's very well when you are shooting yourself or vlogging, so that's kind of great. So guys, I totally recommend this product to you from Rode VideoMic Go. It's great, lightweight, shockproof, and it's very good for vlogging. Guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, share, and keep following. Goodbye, peace.